Bye-bye. Ay. Wait lang. Sir Fred. Hi, Rohan. Good afternoon. Thank you, Sir Fred. Come on, let's eat. Ay, salamat. First like. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. Ah, shit. Following me, Pusaka. Pusaka. Hi, Pusaka. Hi, Rohan. Oh my God. Just scrolling until I get here. Okay. You make it look cold, Cheryl. Yes. Yes, po. When I'm going outside, I wear jacket. Sometimes I wear jacket. Even it's hot. Come on, let's see it. I ate already had grilled cheese out here. Raining always nice. Sandwiches. Meaning? Did hear this afternoon. Okay po. Thank you for likes. house, okay. Other house. Cheryl is rich. She can eat out. I'm getting rich and Mike getting poor. I discovered something new apps and it works. What apps? Mike doing poor because of me and you, Cheryl. Wait lang. Oh my God. Too complicated for me, Pusaka. Wa, huh? Now I can some else live without touching the phone. Huh? Without touching the phone? Support, I need it. Support, support. How you not touch the phone to go other life? How? Yeah. Wow. How? I will sit up before leaving. Okay. Must be magic. Yes. That's not ano. That's not legit. Maybe it's like a cheating, something like that. Then she watched my video. So they are support to channel, then just doing auto clicker on her live. Oh wow. What's that the auto clicker do? Yes. The auto clicker, what is that? Just do emotions. Oh my God. Send emotion only. YouTube must forgive me because I'm getting more views again on short. Oh. Something like that. Something like that. JS, about 14 short, I got less than 100. Guapa, Cheryl. Thank you, Jess. Oh my God. Fred, hi. Thank you for joining. Use CapCut. Heirloom. 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 Something like that. Thank you. Icon. I ordered. This. Wait. Going na. I'm going. Going Juan. I'm walking. Not going, I'm walking pala. Walking. Fred, Isa had a video from 2 years ago blow up and was getting tons of views. Then YT took it down. Oh, huh? Oh my god. I will try. Why did he take it down? Why? Why did he take it down? Oh my god. I had a short that got 32 views. Huh? What? I had a short that got 32k views. Wow!